welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I would like to officially start one of the June paintings you all wonderfully voted for. I'm almost done with one of my event paintings, so it's already mid-June and I feel bad because I haven't started on these at all. So I would like to record officially starting it. And if y'all are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy the show. So it's going to end up being a short WIP and chat since I've been recording them kind of short. I figured I could start it with this one. So the first color I'm going to start with is 7, which is a majority of this purple, which uses one of these wonderful little containers from, I believe I showed the kit up video not too long ago, so y'all are probably familiar on why I had to put a big old piece of dryer sheet in it. And it's mostly for the static. So let me pour this out. Oh, I really love these large containers, and I love that the kit came with it. And I'll make sure to put a video in the description below of the painting and of when I did the review of the kit. The kit for this. So you can see kind of where it came from and all the information in case this larger size is more of your interest. So I'm going to just shake that a bit. I feel so grandiose that I'm about to place the first diamond, and I wanted to make sure to record it. So everyone who voted, this is for you. And that wonderful pop. So luckily this painting has the perforated plastic covering, so that's why you probably see I don't have release paper on it. I don't have any kind of the washi tape method of keeping sectioning off. I've already did my artist room painting, had it perforated as well, so I kind of got used to making sure cutting it straight, because sometimes it would cut kind of wavy, so the lines wouldn't be straight. And when I would paint, it was kind of random whenever you would see sections that, oh, why did she skip that? No, it's because plastic was still on it. So just kind of, I guess, a little update, I guess. A couple days ago, I did my first TikTok live, and that's because I had to hit the requirements to start lives. I have over 1,000 subscribers on my TikTok channel, so if you're from there, welcome. I really appreciate it. And if you're just from YouTube, you should check out my TikTok channel. I try to differentiate, put different types of videos, sorry about that, especially with the different projects I'm doing, because I have so many different paintings kitted up that some shorts that I do on TikTok I do not put on YouTube. So if there's a project you see, oh, she was doing this one, it's probably on my TikTok, or vice versa. If you see, oh, I hadn't seen that one, it's probably on YouTube. It's kind of confusing now that I think about it. And my apologies, disregard my cat. He's just being grumpy. I have an older cat, so sometimes he'll just randomly go in these little meowing sessions to himself, and then he goes to sleep. I have no idea why he does that. And no, don't worry, he gets fed, he gets loved, he gets attention. He's just, I don't know, sometimes he's a grumpy little cat. And yeah, I was just so excited. I was so nervous when I did that TikTok live, because that actually was my first live. So I actually been thinking of using the TikTok's lives as practice for doing when I start lives here on YouTube, just so I can get my feet wet and so I know what to expect when I'm doing the lives. Now the lives are interesting in TikTok because I've watched other diamond painters that do them, and I actually do appreciate it. Sometimes they just put music and they're just painting and that's it. There's no real conversation, no kind of anything. It's just, they're just painting so happily, and with some do put some relaxing music, some do not. And I love watching those. It's relaxing. It's kind of a nice watch while you're diamond painting as well. So I did that a bit with my live. So, and I was so worried. I think it's more myself, because since I've gone used to recording on YouTube. So you just record the video, edit what you need to edit, and then upload it. Now with the live, I can't do that. So I was so worried somebody was going to say a comment or like that I'm not speaking enough, or oh, it's too quiet, or how come there's no music, you know, just kind of a remark. But no, the diamond painting community over there are so kind. So that's why I kind of wasn't too worried that, oh, if I just stop speaking and I'm just painting, I don't think it would be such an issue. But I think it's more myself. As I said, I was nervous doing it, so that's why I was kind of, ooh, I was more worried. It's kind of like when a comedian gets on stage and you get heckled. That's kind of what I was. I was kind of worried when I was doing the live. So, but no, as I said, it came out. It came out wonderful. And originally I was just going to do half an hour live. No, it ended up being over 40 minutes. Because it's so, you know, you just keep painting and it's just relaxing. You're not really paying attention. That's kind of what happened to me. And I did forget I was recording until I saw, it's not really alerts. You just see the little messages of when people join or when people comment or any of that. And myself, since I record with my cell phone, I can't really see what's happening during the live. So I was using my tablet so I can watch the live on that end, and I can kind of see, oh, somebody commented. It was a little it lagged a bit, but it kind of helped me especially spot some of the comments. So I was able to catch, oh, hey, there's interaction. So I was able to talk and all of that. The majority of the time I was just recording silently, diamond painting, and everyone just hearing pops. And as diamond painters, we like that. So that's why I had no problem that if I was going to go that route, you know, some people are going to enjoy it. But yeah, it went through with no problem, and ooh, got that off my chest because I was honestly was so worried when I started recording. I was like, please, please. And mostly because I couldn't think of what to speak about. But as I said, a lot of people don't speak during the live. So I was like, all right. And I did get a question, so I just answered it, gave details, asked them their opinion, and, you know, just have a nice conversation. And it was about diamond painting. And as I said, majority of my TikTok are diamond painters. So that's why I have no problems bringing up diamond painting as a topic, because that means the viewers are doing it as well. So yeah, that's just a little update with the channel. Well, sort of. The TikTok channel anyway. And so, with diamond painting, I am about to finish the painting I was doing for the event called DP for Pets. I don't know why I keep wanting to say vets. I don't know why, sorry. For Pets 2024. And since I'm getting close to finishing, that's when I thought, you know what? Let me finally start on these wonderful June paintings, because I feel so bad that I'm kind of behind and it's already mid-June. So I figured, yeah, let me just pick this up and just start it, at least with the first time. And so I can get ahead. And with rounds, I'm a little faster, so that's why no problems that if I'm going to start. And as you all know, these paintings, this one and the Maneki Neko ones, are large paintings, so they're going to take me a couple months to finish up. But I'm going to make sure that anytime I'm doing WIP and chats, y'all are seeing me work on it. But yeah, I just really wanted to make sure to start it. And even with rounds, I love doing the little checkerboard pattern. To me, it always ends up real straight. I picked it up from squares when I was starting that square, I was gonna say puzzle, painting, and I saw, oh my goodness, it really does work. It straightens it up really well. So I started putting it in my round kind of diamond painting rotation, and it works. I just love how it comes out. So, and I'm a little faster. I don't know why. It's kind of odd, because you would assume with checkerboard it would be taking a little longer, since you need to make sure what order they're in. But now, once you see it once, you kind of understand where they're going to go. As you can see how it looks. I love how that looks. It looks real neat. I kind of don't want to fill it in, just leave it like that. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I have. I did kit up my kitchen painting, my Temu kitchen painting that I showed a couple of weeks ago, because I actually have to go out of town, and I would always take 20 by 20 little paintings I don't diamond paint like, in the car, because knowing my luck, there'll be a bump and it'll be diamonds everywhere. So I usually diamond paint wherever I'm staying for the night and all of that. So I figured, you know what, let me kit up a larger one. And so I kitted up my little kitchen one. As I said, I showed, it was one of the Temu haul preview videos. And I did one little square, and it's so cute. So I just wanted to start it to see how it's going to be coming out. So I am so excited. And I'm leaving this weekend. So I'm so excited to work on that little painting. Once we settle, I can get ahead and finally make my little kitchen, so I can put it in my kitchen. And yeah, oh my god, and of course I missed that one. I just need to make sure the edges are straight, because I can't stand when they're a little bit crooked. I need to make sure I'm not covering any of the numbers. Oh, that's just so pretty. I love how that looks. And I hit the 11-minute mark, so there we go. That's all I got. So yeah, as I said, I wanted to officially start this painting, and I wanted to be able to see the first placement of the first diamond. Sounds so dramatic, doesn't it? And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I'll ask you if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.